Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's go to the website. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the hover effect that is done by using the before and after effect in the CSS, and you can see that continuously looping information about the person like graphic designer, video editor. This is done by using typed JavaScript library. Then we have a hover effect on the button, and you can see a box shadow effect around the portfolio image and having a very curved edge towards the right hand top side. You can see giving a very professional look to your website. Then we can see the social media icons at the bottom. Hover effect changes the color of the icons. Then we can go to the next section, that is our skill section. You can see skill section has two containers. One is for technical skills and one is for professional skills. And here you can see the box shadow effect that I have been done, and I've also added the icons here. You can see JavaScript, Python, CSS, and HTML, and we have created a bar effect that will display the percentage of proficiency that we have in that particular skill. You can see that is also for there for the professional skills also. Then we can go to the education section. You can see for the education section we have added the image as well as the details like what degree you have done and the small information that you can provide about your education. Then we can go to the careers page. In the careers page you can see a small description that is done here, and we have created this professional summary icon by using the CSS styling, and at the same time for the same career goals also. And here you can see we have created a box shadow effect card which gives a 3D look to the website that to the professional website. And you can see we have added some main information here like long-term and short-term goals. Then we can go to the testimonial section, and in the testimonial section you can see we have integrated an image inside a text and giving a very professional look testimonial section where the other people have given information about you, how you work about, and you can see the very professionally done box shadow effect here that is added to them. And you can go to the contact me section, and you can see for the contact me section I have also added the envelope icon here, and you can see this is the contact me form, name, email and message, and you can see the whole effect on the button. And you can also see the icons that I've added here like email, phone and address icons. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this website is also available in mobile view as well as in tab view, which gives the professional website a responsive professional website. And let me show you this is the mobile version. See, this is the desktop version, and this is the mobile version of the portfolio website, and you can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center. And you can see we have a menu bar on the top giving a blur effect to the main source, and we can see a glass morphism type skill section that has been created here. We can see home, skills, education and testimonial section, and when you click on it will post back up again. This gives a very professional look to your website, and the entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials and portfolios. A lot of front-end work, front-end and back-end works you can get from our YouTube channel. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.